distributive property is not hard to do. Just think about the time when it's used. If you've been two sisters, that makes 3, plus your 2 cousins wait on Christmas Eve. If Grandma gives 2 presents to each of you, more than 2 presents are really used. She gives 2 to each of 3 siblings. That's 6 presents total, because 2 times 3. But that's not all. There are cousins, you may say, so make sure to distribute, send gifts their way. Then how many presents did Grandma give? 2 for each cousin plus 2 for us to live. So you'd add together our 6 presents and their 4 for 10 presents total. Grandma gave me no more. In the end, all we did was distribute the 2 to make sure each family got what they were due. Even though the families were at different places, Grandma gave to all, put a smile on their faces.
I have a number sentence. I write 2 factors down. When they are multiplied together, a product can be found. Now flip-flop these factors, see what you see. The answer is still the same because I just did the commutative property.
The associative property is pretty great. It explains the way you associate. That's a big fancy word to describe how things are grouped. Let's take a minute to see how it's used. If you have a list of numbers you're adding together, you can also use this for multiplying if you're clever. For example, if you have 5 plus 2 plus 3, you can add the first 2 or the last 2 you see. So whether you start with 2 plus 3 or 5 plus 2, add in the last number and you'll find the truth. The answers will be the same no matter what you do.